Hello everyone. Today we'll be going over how to make a dynamic navigation menu bar within Power Apps. So let's get right into it. I'm going to start by creating a new screen. Okay, and so we're going to insert a container. And so we're just going to drag this container to the top left and drag it all the way down. And we're going to give it a width of 250. Okay, cool. Now for the color here, we're just going to make it slightly darker. Something very subtle. Okay, that's fine. And now that we have this color here, we're going to just go insert and type in ham. And that will give us the hamburger menu. So let's drag this over here. And on the on select, what we're doing here, make sure you go to the on select property in the top left. You want to type in update context. And so right here, all we're going to do is put an open bracket and then type the name of the variable. So we want to name this variable var nav, and we're going to add a colon and set this to 50. And then I'll just close out the formula with brackets, then parentheses. So now we want to take this variable name here, var nav, and set this as the width for the width property for this container. So if we scroll down here, go to width, we'll change this to var nav. So now if I click this here, you'll see it opens up. So cool. Now that we have this, all we need to do is grab this statement here, copy it, and put it in an if statement. So I have it copied. I'm going to type in if var nav is equal to 50, comma, what we're going to do is we're going to update that variable to say 250. We're going to add a comma here, and then so else if it's 250, then we're going to update it to 50. And so to close out this formula, add another parentheses. So let's click this. Okay, it's 50. We click it again. Now it's 250. And to click on screen, you could just hold Alt and then click. Okay, so now that we know that this is working, let's copy this and go to our container and paste it. Control V, or you can just hit paste this way. Now it's in there. So let's add some styles to this. But we can check to see if it works first. Okay, it is working the way we want it to. We can get rid of this guy here, go back to our hamburger menu, and now let's set this X to 15 and the Y to 5, and we'll just make this 25, 25. Alright, it's looking good, and we'll change the color here to the darkest gray. Alright, so there's our menu. Let's run it, see if it works. Alright, cool. And that's it. That's how you will make a dynamic menu. I wanted to make this video because I've seen other tutorials, but they were kind of long. So hopefully this is something quick that you can do to add to your app in under 10 minutes.